Well, the planned January 9th release of Jananayagan, the much-anticipated film widely billed as actor-politician Vijay's final appearance on screen, has been postponed. Celebrations are cut short for Thalapathy Vijay and his fans after the Madras High Court reserved its order on a petition challenging the Central Board of Film Certification's decision to withhold a censor certificate. The filmmakers have announced late last evening that the release of the film has been postponed due to what they call unavoidable circumstances. In fact, KVN Productions also stated that the new dates for the release will be announced soon, but they have not been announced yet. Many are questioning what's next for Vijay and Team Jananayagan. The order on CBFC certification will be pronounced tomorrow as the 9th of January, and if release is approved, the CBFC will issue the certification within 24 to 72 hours, allowing the film to release without any legal hurdles after the 12th of January. Vasudha Venugopal tracking the latest for us. Vasudha, how is the TVK responding to this postponement behind the scenes, and what are the possible scenarios we're realistically looking at now as far as the release is concerned?
Well, Parmeshwar, I'm at Kashi Theatre, and ideally this place would have seen a lot of action if the film was to release as per its original date. Now you see it's completely empty, and this is one of those famous theatres where this movie was supposed to be released. We just spoke to the watchman a few minutes ago, and he said that, you know, there's a lot of disappointment. The posters have not been taken off because there's still hope. And like you rightly pointed out, the Madras High Court has reserved its verdict, and it's expected to come out. We're expected to get more clarity on that tomorrow is what we understand, and tomorrow is when this movie was supposed to get released. There's another blockbuster, Parasakti, which is getting released 2 days from now, and this theatre is now getting ready for that release. But yes, there's a lot of hope. There's a lot of disappointment amongst Vijay's fans that this movie, the much-awaited movie of actor-turned-politician Vijay, also seen as his farewell movie, you know, before he enters into politics full-time, has been put on hold. And this is because the CBFC was did not clear the certification in time. There was a little bit of delay, and the CBFC has asked for a time of 4 weeks. But remember, this is also a politically sensitive time for the state, because this is when elections are going to happen just about in 2-3 months from now, and Vijay has emerged as an important X factor. And to the question that you asked me, how is the TVK responding to this? Well, Vijay hasn't said anything to this, but yes, TVK has been saying that it is one party that is being attacked from both sides, from the ruling party and also from the centre, because they're equating CBFC with the centre. So this also in some ways is could prove to be another political flashpoint with Vijay trying to make this into an issue that could give him some advantage.
Right. Meanwhile, speaking of Vijay, Vasudha, haven't we seen a pattern straight from 2011 as far as his film releases are concerned, now to Jananayagan?
Well, this movie was supposed, it's a remake of an older movie, but you know, remember, Jananayagan is also a political thriller. It has a lot of elements in it. I was just looking at its description in one of those UK websites, and you know, it has weapons, it is narco-terrorism, it has a lot of these things that we keep talking about, and it has been curated in a way that also shows Vijay as a savior of people, something that his movies have always shown, be it Marcel or be it Gilly or Katti. So, you know, all these movies have also shown Vijay as somebody who rises from the bottom and makes his way up there, but always is very idealistic and speaks for the underdogs. And this movie is supposed to also be one of those as well, which is why it is supposed to actually give a lot of boost to his career. Remember that elections are scheduled to happen in April, which is just 3 months from now, which is why this movie was much awaited. And yes, cinema and politics have always been interconnected in Tamil Nadu, which is why Parasakti's release, which is by Udayanidhi's production house, is also important, because both these movies were supposed to be released quite far from each other, but now they are all getting released within 2-3 days of each other. But yes, now with this delay in postponement, it remains to be seen how the political dynamics of these movies and of course the politics of the state gets changed. But most importantly, there is a lot of disappointment amongst fans. We'll try to get you some as soon as they arrive, but yes, as of now, there seems to be, a lull in this theatre, which otherwise would have seen a lot of activity, especially with Vijay's movie getting released, in a few minutes from now.
Vasudha, as always, thank you so much for taking us through the latest details. We are, of course, waiting for the verdict to come in from the Madras High Court.